All right, Dad, you guys go with the blues. Get Glenn Peltier on camera. Where's Paula?
She's working tonight.
All right, good. Hey, keep her busy. And I don't know what we're doing today, B.
Well, I'm going to do two different things. First, we're going to do some garlic Parmesan potato wedges that I've started making in the wood fire oven. And while those are cooking, we're going to do a Cajun shrimp pizza.
Awesome.
Dang, I'm glad I didn't have lunch.
All right. So what I did was I parboiled them to where they were just about fork tender, and then tossed them with our garlic butter sauce and some Parmesan cheese and some salt and pepper. Because we're doing that burger, and I just kept thinking to myself, a burger needs something other than a side salad. Because I know when I order a burger, I don't want a side salad.
Yeah.
So, what better thing to do than...
Yeah. That's all right.
I hit it with a little extra parm.
Oh boy.
And then we're just going to go right on to the oven. It takes about 6 to 7 minutes.
Beautiful.
And now we're going to go ahead and stretch this. So for the base of this pizza, I'm just going to be using olive oil. I'm just going to spread that out. And the reason I'm doing this is because I've been marinating the shrimp in with some Cajun seasonings, a little bit of oil, some garlic. All right, we're going to hit it with some Parmesan. This is a cheese that Jack and I got sent. It's called Provel. It's actually really good and it melts very well. So we're going to use a little bit of that. Use some grape tomatoes. I really like these on a pizza. And then here is the shrimp. You know what? That's the last item. I don't need those. See that coloring? That's from all that Cajun seasonings, paprika, chili powder, a little bit of cayenne, salt, pepper, garlic. Fill this up since we got the fishermen here to try this out.
Oh yeah.
Just load it on there. Thank you.
I help out too.
All right, let me give my hands a rinse and I'll put that on the paddle in the oven. All right, here we go.
That's a bad edit.
All right, we'll take it out there to the table.
We'll take it out.
Deliver it. You know what? Can you grab me A pinch of freedom.
Short notice to make it work. So we don't work in this which is like a.
Do you have any cut? Don't worry. Hold on, before you gentlemen taste, I'm gonna ask Marina.
Give it right over there.
I have a picture of it.
Yeah.
We all know Jack's favorite. Some green onions.
Oh. Well, I thought you were saying Rob.
Oh, I like that too.
He's
yeah,
my
yeah.
favorite fisherman right
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Huh?
Last
His
time I
brother
made-
Mike.
Hey,
Hey, the Mystic Way, right?
that's right, the
Huh?
Mystic Way. Yeah, we
Mystic Way.
catching fish, squid, whiting.
Fishes year round, right? Year round.
Year round, no matter, just like the post office, all no matter what, rain, sleet, or snow, we like.
And the only problem, you don't get the retirement benefits like a postal service.
No,
Right.
we don't. We gotta earn it the hard way. Yep.
All right, B, what do we have here
So
for Rob
it's
and Mike?
Cajun shrimp. I had it marinating with our blackening season. I added a little bit more of the red pepper flakes. I kind of ground them up. And then I used that Provello cheese that
Yeah,
sent to
yeah,
us.
yeah. Who said that?
I don't remember who it was.
Provello cheese. It's delicious.
It is, and it melts
Like
great.
a string cheese. It's what? Provolone.
Cheddar and
Cheddar, mozzarella?
Fox. Yep.
Beautiful.
Yep.
This blackened seasoning, is this a secret blend or is this?
Just like where your secret fishing spots
All
are.
right.
Yeah.
'Cause I'm looking for
Because you notice I only
good
said what I
blackened
added
recipe
to
myself.
it.
I asked Rob, where do you go? Where do you go? Like
Well,
for flounder and what else you pull in? Squid.
flounder, squid, whiting, butterfish, fluke. Right now, our boat was about 250 miles east of Montauk Point,
Well, boy.
far down there.
How long does it take you to stream out to your sites?
A while.
Like what? How many hours?
30,
30 hours.
36.
Oh boy.
Depending upon the weather, 2 days if we get stuck in something.
Jeez.
That's good times, real good times. You put a hot dog on the bun and it rolls right off the bun.
You got to put a pizza oven in there so we can reheat some of the
that,
pieces.
that would be safe. Oh yeah.
Hey, dig in. Marsh, you got a fork or something?
Sure.
Looks a little juicy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Want me to get setups?
No. Thank you, though, Marcia.
All right, this is the blackened shrimp. Delicious, yeah. Real cheesy.
Real cheesy?
Oh yeah.
And I didn't use a lot of that cheese because it spreads out.
Yeah,
Awesome.
it's got that creaminess though too. It's
Yeah.
like a
Juicy with the tomatoes.
you'd have to put it on your menu.
That cheese got a lot of flavor.
Yeah.
What do you call it?
It's called Provolone or
Provolone.
something like that, yeah.
But I had to look it up, man. I feel bad because I forgot. I had it written down at home. Gentlemen, sent it to us from where?
Yeah.
From where? Come on, B.
North Carolina?
I think it was Illinois.
Oh yeah, you're right. It is.
Illinois?
Yep, it was Illinois.
Yeah, we'll get
Yeah.
back to you for sure. Hey, Dad, you guys go with the blues here. We got hardest working guys in show business right here. They get out there in inclement weather. They're dealing with it. They're working with what? How many hours of sleep a night?
Well,
When you're really into it, like what? 4 hours, 5 hours?
We had like 2 hours of downtime this last trip. 2 hours over maybe the course of like 2 days.
My God.
But that was just kind of like time where you had to fall asleep within those 2 hours. So it's like you only get 2 hours of sleep, you get 30 minutes to make yourself a sandwich, have some food, and then, have
it takes a day and a half to get down there, so
And-
yeah.
I don't know if you wanted to show me.
We
Here
catch up
are
on our
the
sleep
finishing
afterwards,
touches
all right?
of the wood fire potato wedges. Garlic Parmesan potato wedges.
Oh boy.
Gentlemen would like to
Come
try
on,
those.
guys. They're hungry too, man. They come off that boat ready to chow.
Yeah, I heard about these Parmesan wedges.
And thirsty too. They just go with the blues. B knocked it out of the park again, yet again. Thank you guys for coming in. Really That was good to see you get back safe.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're doing a lot. Better.
Dangerous profession, and you guys know what you're doing, and big investment. You know, last what?
Well,
Your boat was down this summer or this fall for quite a bit.
Yeah, we
Had to rebuild some engines.
rebuild engines, steel work, electrical work.
Thank
Got
God.
all LED lights now.
Wow.
Modernized. It's like
Thank God you do a lot of the work yourselves. You know, way to survive.
it seems like it now, right?
Blue collar is the backbone of this country.
That's right. Eating pizza.
Yeah, and can't say enough. Dave Jack School with the Blues. Glenn Peltier on camera. Paula is missing out again. You have to take a couple slices home.
I might have to.
Thank you, Glenn.
We're going to shoot a video up here. We're all going to be famous. Trailers for CeeLo rents, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes. I but 2 hours of pushing through buys an April 12 4-bedroom.
Hey, this is my friend John, Clearwater, Florida. Came up to visit, and we got my man here, Tom McGregor, playing my dad's favorite song, one of my dad's favorite songs, Roger Miller's For Sale or Rent. And hey, so glad you came to visit me.
I smoke old stories I have found. Short but not too big around. Yeah, I'm a man of means by no means. Yeah, king of the road. I know every engineer on every train, and all of their children and all of their names. Every handout in every town, and every lock that ain't locked when no one's around. I sing trailers for sailors, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes. I smoke 2 hours of pushing through buys an April 12 4-bedroom, and I'm a man of means by no means. What am I? Yeah, I'm a man of means by